Hello everyone, my name is Rajasi Deshpande and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are having a Postman Power Hour. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand backend basics, APIs, HTTP request, status codes and how Postman helps us test APIs easily. So, let's begin. So, what exactly is web development? It is the process of creating websites and web applications. Everything from a web page looks to how it behaves and communicates with the server. Now, what do you mean by client server client request? The internet works like conversations. We have clients like browsers or apps and servers which store data. Clients send requests like clicking a button and servers send response back. This communication happens constantly while browsing any website. Now, introduction to backend. The backend is the logic behind the website, meaning databases, server side code, authentication, and data processing. It ensures everything runs smoothly behind the scenes and delivers the correct response to every user request. Now, what is API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows two software systems to talk to each other. So, whenever you log in, post a photo, or make a payment, API works silently to make those features happen. Now, think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you need. The waiter communicates it to the kitchen and brings back your food. Similarly, an API sends your request to the server and returns data back to the application, as you can see in this picture here. Now let's start with the introduction to Postman. Now that we understand APIs, how do we test them? Postman is a powerful platform used by developers to send requests and check responses from APIs. It helps us debug, automate, and document APIs all in one place. So when we make API request, the server responds with a status code. Here's what the range of codes means. As you can see here, 2xx is the code for success, like 200 OK, 201 created, 204 no context, 3xx redirection, 301 moved paths changed, 4xx client errors like 400 bad request, 404 not found, 5xx server errors like 500 internal server error. These helps us understand whether the request worked or if something went wrong. Okay, so now what is CRUD API? Most APIs are built on CRUD operations. Now what does this CRUD mean? C means create data. R read data. U update data. D delete data. Every application with a database from Instagram post to Amazon orders uses CRUD. As you can see here, create, read, update, delete is CRUD. Now comes HTTP request methods. To perform those CRUD operations, we use HTTP methods. As you can see here, get to retrieve data from server, post to add data to an existing file or resource, put to update or replace an existing file or resource in server, patch to update a resource partially or you can modify, delete means delete data from the server. So as we have done till now, uh, that we have understood what APIs are and how CRUD works, let's do a live demonstration using Node.js, Express and Postman. So here I have created this project. We have built a simple books management API where we can create, read, update and delete all those CRUD operations on books in our system, basically full the CRUD operations. So first I have written a small Node.js project as you can see here using Express. I'll run the command node index.js and you can see the server is running. So as you can see here, I have written this node index.js and this is written server running on HTTP :// localhost 5000 because I have mentioned here port number 5000. So it shows that okay, now we are ready to test our APIs in the Postman. So let's go to the Postman desktop app. So here I have created a new collection named book management system. So let's start with the read operation, means a get request. So I will click here add request. So this is yes, our get request. So this is used to retrieve all the books stored on the server. So when I hit send, you can see the status code 200 OK, meaning the request was successful and the response body contains the JSON list of books. So let's see it, okay. I'll just go here. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here with slash books. I hit the send button. Yes, so as you can see here, it is 200 OK with the message books fetched successfully and data ID 1, title Atomic Habits, author James Clear. As I have already written one there with the Atomic Habits and James Clear, we can see here. So now let's come to the next, which is a create operation, which is a post request. Now for this, we will again go to add request. This time we will make it post, and yes, I will write this only. Make it post again, body raw. So here I will write title as, let's say, Harry Potter, author J K Rowling, and if I hit send, yeah, so it's give me 201, which means created. So as you can see now, when I click send, we got 201, which means a new resource has been successfully added. So as you can see here as well, this message book added successfully with the data ID 2, title Harry Potter, author JK Rowling. Okay, so we have done with the create and get thing. Now let's come to the update operation, put request. So let's update a book using put. We'll again make add request. So just a minute, I'll write /1 because we want to update first ID book. Okay, so I will go again to the body raw and I'm gonna write title as updated book and author as updated author. Let's hit on send. See, it is giving me 200 OK. It means it has done. So in the first ID title one, what was there which I have created? I have created with the title number 1 as Atomic Habits James Clear. So now what it becomes? Updated book, updated author. How I can test it again? Just go to this first get, and if I hit it again, you can see here now the id1, it with the id1 the title is associated now updated book and author as updated author, and the second one is added, which I have added with the post request there, id2 title Harry Potter and author J.K. Rowling. So we have done with the put http verb as well. Now let's go with the delete operation. Now lastly we want to delete a book, right? So let's go here, add request. Okay, so yeah, I'll just do this only because I want to delete the book which has id number 1. I'll click on delete here, and this will remove the book from the server permanently. We'll hit the send button. It is 200 OK, and book deleted successfully, and what is deleted is shown here. The data which is being deleted is shown here. The title, updated book, updated author, which we have done just before it with the update request. So yeah, once again if I hit this to see the get request to see the total number of books, I'll send. So as you can see, the ID number 1 is not there, only ID 2 with the title Harry Potter and author J.K. Rowling. Yeah, so yes, we successfully performed all the 4 CRUD operations: create, read, update and delete using post, get, put and delete request methods. You can clearly see how Postman helps us to test our APIs and check status codes, request bodies, and server responses in real time. So, if you love the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe the channel, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.